crunch. Set your base. Lie flat on your back on the supporting surface. With your knees bent, align the Achilles tendons with the pelvic bone. Your heels should be about the length of your foot from your buttocks. Plant the first knuckle of the big toe onto the supporting surface firmly and brace the legs. Clench the thighs firmly. The arms should be relaxed and held above the waist or across the tummy. Avoid using your hands to brace against the floor. Engage chin to throat. Without lifting your head, press your chin down to your throat firmly, flattening your neck towards the supporting surface. When performing the exercise, move your torso as one solid unit. Maintain a slow 3-count pace as you gently lift your torso. Hold for a slow 3 count as the movement peaks. Then return to the supporting surface in a slow 3-count release.